Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on CUBOT King Kong X. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family, and then click on Parental Controls. Then click Let's do this, and click Sign in. Now click on Use Pattern, and you have to enter your workscreen pattern. And here you have to enter your child's email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your child's password. And then click I agree. Now click on Don't turn on. Then click Not now. And click Accept. Now click on Supervise. And then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your password again. Now click on Next. Then click Allow. Click on Next. And click Done. And now, as you can see, my parental control is set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.